Alright, let's talk about the Nubia V80 Design. The first thing you'll notice is that it looks suspiciously like it's been taking design cues from a future iPhone. Maybe the 17 Pro. You see it too, right? It's got that sleek, premium vibe, but at a price that's surprisingly easy on the wallet. The back is a matte polycarbonate, which feels super light and comfortable in the hand. It slides into your pocket without any fuss, and the IP64 rating means you do not have to panic about a little dust or a few splashes of rain. All the usual suspects are here for ports and buttons. You've got the power button with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, volume rockers, a dedicated AI button, a dual SIM tray, a USB-C port, and yes, even a headphone jack. The gang's all here. Now, for the screen. It's a big 6.75-inch HD Plus IPS LCD, and it packs 120Hz refresh rate. It feels smoothish, but I gotta be honest, you'll probably notice a little bit of lag when you're scrolling fast through your feeds. The brightness is a real highlight though. It can hit 1000 nits, which means using it outdoors on a sunny day is no problem at all. Audio, on the other hand, well, it's not this phone's strongest feature. The single speaker gets loud, but the sound is pretty muffled. Thank goodness for that headphone jack. Let's move on to the cameras. That triple camera setup on the back, it's kind of fake flexing. On the front, you get a 16-megapixel selfie camera. For everyday photos, the results are actually decent, especially with the AI enhancements. Night mode is solid, but portrait mode can be a little hit or miss with edge detection. When it comes to video, you're capped at 1080p at 30 frames per second, and it can get a bit shaky if you don't have a gimbal or a steady hand. For your daily tasks, browsing, social media, messaging, the performance is perfectly fine. Want to do some light gaming? Go for it. But if you're into heavy, graphics-intensive games, this is definitely not the phone for you. Mobile Legends and Call of Duty will run okay. There's a bit of bloatware, but thankfully, you can uninstall most of it. That AI button is pretty cool though. But the real star of the show? The battery. It has a massive 5000 mAh battery with 22.5-watt charging. That is absolutely wild for a phone in this price range. For connectivity, it's basic but has everything you need. 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, GPS, and dual SIM support. So, here's the bottom line. The Nubia V80 Design isn't trying to be a flagship gaming phone. But if you're looking for a device for daily use, if you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Drop a comment with your thoughts and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching. See you.